Some people wonder why it's a big deal to worry about human feces, given that animals pee and poop all over the forest. Well, the difference is our diet. We aren't eating the plants and animals that live in the forest, and so we are not recycling the way animals are. Rather, we're eating all kinds of processed foods, additives, all kinds of chemicals, and when that stuff gets into the soil, especially if it finds its way to a waterway, that creates problems for the forest. And it only gets worse if we're leaving household products behind in our hole with our poop. So today I'm going to show you a very comfortable way to go poop in the outdoors and some products that will help you do it even easier, more comfortably, and completely safe for the environment. Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel all about hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Today I am looking at a brand new company here. This is the PACT, P-A-C-T, Poop Kit. Now what makes this Poop Kit unique is that it is not only designed to be very good for the environment, but it's also here to help people who are maybe not so comfortable going poop in the woods, get comfortable doing it, and doing it in the right way so that they are following leave no trace principles and doing things that are actually going to help the environment rather than harm it when they go out into the woods. Now, in preparation for this video, I actually talked to one of the founders of the PACT system, and he did give me a lot of the science and philosophy behind this kit, but I haven't actually opened it up and looked through it to see how it works, because although I've pooped in the woods myself and I feel pretty proficient at it, this actually comes with instructions. I mean, this is the full deal. If you are uncomfortable going poop in the woods, this is probably going to be very helpful to you. So I'm going to open this up and just do what it says, regardless of what I think about how to do things. And I'm just going to trust the instructions and see how it goes. Let me show you what's in here. First of all, you've got a nice rubberized case. You open it up and you've got a trowel, a dig tool, hand sanitizer. These are weather-resistant zippers. This is a very heavy-duty Ziploc bag for porting out your toilet paper. And this gives you a nice airtight bag to put it in, and because it is so thick, it's not going to get ruined, and it is washable. Okay, next we have the instructions. Got a little bookmark type thing in here, and it is going to teach me how to do this. So, first of all, pick your spot. Go at least 200 yards or 75 adult paces from water sources, trails, and campsites. Don't forget your PACT kit and water bottle to activate the wipe. All right, next it says to dig a hole. Use your shovel to dig a hole 6 to 8 inches deep. Poop must be buried to speed up breakdown and avoid spreading harmful germs. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside. This is the PACT trowel. It's got a jagged edge for cutting through things if you need to, a nice scoop, and believe it or not, this thing is extremely light. It's also marked at 6 inches, so in case you are unsure what 6 to 8 inches looks like, it is the depth of this entire trowel. It's 6 to 8 inches in the dirt, not just through the forest stuff. I'm really liking this trowel. You got a good solid grip. There's no worry about getting your hand on the edges. It just eats through this dirt. So right there, 6 to 8 inches, I've got my hole dug. Okay, next it says, ready your wipe. Grab a compressed wipe, hold it in your hand, and add water to rehydrate. Then unfold. This is my wipe. I'm going to rehydrate this. Oh, there it goes. There are no chemicals in this, so this is not going to hurt anything. And further, because I don't need to keep it wet in like a wipe box, this weighs almost nothing, and now I've got a nice wet wipe to take care of things. Do your business. Poop in the hole. You got this. You're going to stand with your feet on either side of the cat hole, drop trowel, and what I like to do is actually just take one leg completely out of the clothing system altogether, push all the clothes off to the side. That way I have a clear path to my target, and I don't need to worry about accidentally doing something nasty in my clothes. So once I'm set up, clothes are out of the way, time to drop a deuce. It goes in the cat hole. All done. Now I have some poop in the cat hole, and it's time to move on to the next step. Clean up. So you're going to take your wipe, and guess what? No chemicals. This can go right in the hole. So if that was toilet paper, I would be basically littering right now. I'd want to put the toilet paper in my bag. Instead, if you use these special wipes, they can go in the cat hole. It's not going to have any adverse effect on the environment. Next, it says, restore the soil. Drop 3 PACT Mycelium tabs into the hole. Completely fill the hole with dirt so the mycelium can go to work. These are actually little wood tablets covered in a special enzyme that's going to speed up how fast that poop goes into the ground. All right, so I'm going to take my trowel, I'm going to fill this back with dirt, cover up the poop, cover up that wet wipe, and make sure that if someone steps here, they're not going to go in. Finally, I just take the hand sanitizer. Now I've got some spray. I'm clean, the cat hole's clean, the trail's clean, the water's clean, and in a very short amount of time, thanks to those mycelium tablets, this hole is just going to be dirt. So I can return this back to my kit. This goes around here. Comes with a carabiner to attach this to my pack. So I don't even have to put this inside if I don't want to. And now I am ready to go. I like to keep this on the outside of the pack in a pocket or something, because sometimes when it's time to go, it's time to go. So there you go. That's how to poop in the woods. Not a very big deal, but a lot of people are uncomfortable with the idea. And believe it or not, when you're in that squat position, things tend to come out a lot more easily and a lot more cleanly than they do when you're sitting on a toilet, which is not designed with the best physics. Pooping in the woods can actually be a quite pleasant experience once you get over the idea that you're doing it outside. Can you really ask for a more beautiful place to do your business? So if you are uncomfortable with pooping in the woods, I would highly recommend the PACT system, because it really is designed to help people that are getting out into the woods and need some good lightweight tools to help them out, to give them confidence that it's going to be okay. But even if you are an experienced woods pooper, I would suggest at least getting the mycelium tabs and the wet wipe tabs. The mycelium helps the environment, and the wet wipes add almost no weight to your pack and can be safely left in the cat hole instead of taking your toilet paper out, which you should be doing if you follow L&T principles. If you don't, maybe this will be a way to get over that aspect and help you do a better job keeping clean when you poop in the woods. Thank you again for watching this video. I have links to the PACT system down in the description below. You can also check out some other videos if you like them, if you like this, if it helped you. Why don't you give that video a like, hit subscribe if you're into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. And until next time, I'm Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.